So if you want to catch people that did not subscribe to your channel, maybe you subscribe to their own channel and they did not subscribe to your own channel in return of the favor that you did for them, this is a video on how to catch them. So if this is a video you would like to watch, please subscribe, like, share and comment, and let me teach you how you can catch those people that do not subscribe to your channel. And it will also show you those that actually subscribe to your channel. Let's go right into the screen record video.
Go to your YouTube dashboard and then you click on recent subscribers. So you want to click on see all. So this is showing the last 90 days. It's showing the subscribers that have subscribed to your channel in the last 90 days. All right. So mind you, this will show you the subscribers that set their own subscribers seen as public. But if they set it as private, you will not be able to see them. You will not be able to see your subscribers, okay? So that is how to check those that actually subscribe to your channel, all right, and then your subscriber count. So that's how to check, or that's how to know your subscribers, those that subscribe to your channel.
So if you have caught the people that did not subscribe to your channel, well, you can go and meet them and tell them, please subscribe to my channel. I've caught you. Just joking. So if this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.